Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today's video will be a quick one. I'll be sharing with you guys how you can switch your design text to different languages in Figma. This is simple. Stay tuned, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So first thing we want to do is make sure you're not clicking on any card or anything on your canvas, and you come to the property panel and click on your local variables. Here you're going to see other collections we've created in the past. If you haven't watched the video to know how we created all this or how we came about them, you can go to my channel and view the videos so you can know how we got here. So right now we're going to go ahead and create a new collection. So create collection, we're going to name this collection language switch. So I want something that everyone could understand. So we'll go ahead and type language switch. All right, that will be the name of this collection. So we'll go ahead and create variables. The first variable we're going to create, or the only variables we'll create, will be string variables for all the text information in this card. Now you can just go ahead to have all the information you need on a card or in a frame. So this is the English text that we have in this card, and this is the Dutch text. I just went to Google and got the translation to this. So I don't know if they are perfect or 100% correct, but I got this information from Google. So you can go ahead and have them written down this way, so you could just copy and paste. So right here we're going to have the first text, and this is Nike shoe. So we're going to go ahead to name it product name. So right here we'll have product name, and the value is going to be Nike shoe. So you can go ahead to type it, but make sure you make no mistakes with the spelling, because it's going to affect whatever it is you're doing. So it's either you type it in or you just copy and paste. So for the rest of them, we're going to just copy and paste. So we will go ahead to duplicate this variable. Now for the second one, we're going to have tag. That will be for this green text here, which shows available. So we'll name this tag, and the value would be available. So let me copy it and come here and paste. We'll go ahead to duplicate this, and we'll name this details, because it will have this body text over here. So we'll go ahead to type details, and we can come here and copy and paste. All right, then for the last one, we'll go ahead to duplicate, and we'll name this CTA text. So all right, CTA text, and the value, we're going to copy this and we'll go ahead to paste it here. All right, now what do we want to do next? Now that we've gotten the first mode, because if you want to switch to different languages, you will have to create different modes for different languages. So we're going to have English here, because this is the English version, which is the default. Then we'll go ahead to click on the plus sign here and add another mode. So this will be Dutch. Now if you want to add another language, you can go ahead to click on this plus button and add another language. But for this tutorial, we're just going to stick to these two to show you how it works. So you can just go ahead to add other languages if you want, depending on what you're working on. So we'll go ahead to change the information here to the Dutch language. So we'll come here, copy, paste. All right, I think, yeah, there we have it. The second one, we'll go ahead to copy. We'll come over here and paste. We'll copy the third one, which is the body text. Oh my, sorry, Command Z. I'll go ahead to copy, which is the body text. I'll come here and paste. I'll copy this, the last one, which is the button text, and I'll paste. So here we have it, the English version and the Dutch version. So we want to go ahead to close this, and then we're going to link our text. So we're going to assign the variables to them. Now what I want to do is to duplicate this card. I just want to do it so we have this to work with. Now I'm going to go ahead to click on this text, come to this typography section, and you'll see this apply variable button. You click on it and you come over here, you're going to see language switch. So this is the variable we just created now. So the Nike shoe happens to be the product name. So you can see the product name, you can see the value over here. Now I'll click on it, nothing happens because default is English is the default, so it's already in English. So we'll go ahead to select this available, do the same thing for every text. So available happens to be the tag, we'll select it, we'll select the body text, do the same thing, we'll click on details, then we'll do the same for the button text, and we'll click on CTA text. All right, now we're done. We don't want to change this because these figures, so we won't be changing that. So what we want to do is to Command D and duplicate this. Now you want to come to this appearance where you have apply variable mode and you click on it. Now you're going to see language switch. So all you have to do is just to come over here and click on Dutch, and automatically you see everything change. So here we have it. This is the English version. You can go ahead to assign this from here, but it's already in English. So this is the English card and this is the Dutch card. So you can go ahead to have Spanish and other languages. As long as it suits what you're working on, it's totally fine. So I hope you found this tutorial very interesting or helpful. If you need me to make any video for you, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll make out time to make the video for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also go ahead to share the video with your friends who might need these tutorials. Thank you so much for staying tuned till this time, and see you in the next video. Bye.